Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Microsoft Teams account. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and download the Microsoft Teams application. You cannot do it through the browser in phone. You need to have the application. So once you have this application, you're going to simply click on it and then you're going to click on use another account and then you're going to type in the email of the account that you wish to create. So now if you wish to create an account, then you will see an option of create a new account, sign up for a new Microsoft account if you don't have the account already. Then you're going to simply click on create new account and then you'll be redirected to another interface. That would basically send code on this email. So you're going to simply open your email and just type that code down over here. After that, you'll be redirected to an interface where you're going to select your country, region, your birth date, month, and year, and then simply click on next. And then you're going to add your first name and last name and simply check this box and click on next. Then you'll see a verification step. Then you're going to simply press and hold this button. So simply keep pressing the button until the blue line is completed. Once done, you can see that there is a tick sign and now you have verified it successfully. And then you can select whether you wish to sync your contacts, click on continue, and you'll be redirected to your account successfully. So that's how you can create Microsoft Teams account in phone and also verify press and hold button. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.